Article 12.
No one shall be subjected to arbitrary interference with his privacy, family, home, or correspondence, nor to attacks upon his honor and reputation. Everyone has the right to the protection of the law against such interference or attacks.
Article 12. Right to freedom from interference with privacy at will. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights asserts the right to freedom from interference with privacy, emphasizing that no individual or authority has the right to intrude into our personal lives or affairs without just cause. This right is crucial in protecting individuals from unwarranted intrusions by state authorities, corporations, or other entities that might seek to pry into personal matters for various reasons, whether for surveillance, data collection, or other forms of interference. The principle articulated in Article 12 means that everyone is entitled to a private sphere free from arbitrary or unlawful interference, which includes personal communications, family life, home, and correspondence. In recent years, the significance of this right has been underscored by numerous incidents where governments and corporations have attempted to collect and exploit personal data without consent. The controversies surrounding platforms like Facebook and WhatsApp illustrate the tension between user privacy and data collection practices. Governments have sought to access user data, often citing national security or law enforcement needs, leading to legal battles where companies have defended user privacy as a fundamental right. These cases highlight the ongoing struggle to balance security concerns with the right to privacy, a balance that many feel tilts too often in favor of surveillance and data collection. Despite the protections enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights since 1948, the enforcement of privacy rights remains inconsistent globally. In many countries, legal frameworks are either inadequate or not rigorously enforced, leaving individuals vulnerable to privacy breaches. The lack of strict laws means that people can still be subject to unwarranted surveillance and data collection, often without their knowledge or consent. The United Nations Declaration asserts that every individual has the right to refuse the sharing of personal information and to protect their private affairs from intrusion. This encompasses the right to keep one's possessions, thoughts, and personal interactions confidential. The recognition of this right aims to safeguard human dignity and personal autonomy, ensuring that people can live without fear of being constantly watched or having their personal space violated. As we navigate an increasingly digital world, the principles laid out in Article 12 remain vitally important, advocating for stronger protections and respect for privacy in all aspects of life.
Article 13. First, everyone has the right to freedom of movement and residence within the borders of each state. Second, everyone has the right to leave any country, including his own, and to return to his country.
Article 13. Right to migrate and return back at will. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights articulates the right to freedom of movement, including the right to migrate and return to one's country of origin. This means that if individuals are dissatisfied with the conditions in their current country, they have the right to relocate to another country and seek citizenship there, following the immigration laws and requirements of the host nation. Many countries have established procedures such as migration and immigration tests to regulate this process and ensure that prospective immigrants meet certain criteria. These tests are often designed to assess language proficiency, cultural knowledge, and other factors deemed important by the host country. Migrate allows individuals to pursue better living conditions, economic opportunities, or safety from persecution and conflict. It acknowledges that people should not be bound to one country, especially if remaining there compromises their well-being or aspirations. Moreover, this right is not one way. It also encompasses the ability to return to one's country of origin. For instance, if after obtaining citizenship in a new country, individuals find that they are not satisfied or miss their home country, they can renounce their new citizenship and reclaim their original nationality, subject to the laws and regulations governing such processes. The provision ensures that people are not permanently trapped by their initial choice of migration. This flexibility is critical in a globalized world where economic, social, and political landscapes can change rapidly, influencing personal decisions about where to live. It also recognizes the importance of familial, cultural, and national ties, allowing individuals to return to their homeland if they feel a stronger connection or better opportunities there. However, while these rights are acknowledged in principle, the practical application can vary significantly across different countries. Immigration policies can be stringent, and the process of obtaining or renouncing citizenship can be complex and bureaucratic. Some countries impose substantial barriers to migration, including lengthy waiting periods, high fees, and rigorous eligibility criteria, making it challenging for individuals to exercise this right freely. Nevertheless, the fundamental human right to migrate and return, as stipulated in Article 13, highlights the importance of personal freedom and self-determination. It underscores the belief that individuals should have control over where they live and the ability to seek better circumstances for themselves and their families. This right is essential for ensuring that people can escape oppressive regimes, seek refuge from violence, and improve their quality of life by moving to environments that offer greater opportunities and freedoms.